आज प्रभुत्व महिला सम्मेलन कार्यक्रम ग्वालियर में अच्छा पार्टिसिपेशन है. So here we have explained about what are all the initiatives of the BJP government, how Modi ji has impacted the life of crores of women in this country. Whether it is a policy change or the new amendments or how the implementation at the very big level that had happened in this country. So Madhya Pradesh already in the assembly election that Mahila voters, they have proved their commitment towards BJP. So this time also we are confident that Mahila voters are definitely going to vote for Bharatiya Janata Party. Our Mahila Morcha Karyakartas at the booth level, they are organizing a small event of meeting the women influencers, and also at the same time they are involving themselves in the door canvas. It is not merely distributing that pamphlet. We have ensured that Mahila Morcha Karyakartas with each family, they have to spend at least minimum 10 minutes and explaining the good work of Narendra Modi ji as well as BJP government in Madhya Pradesh. So we are all gearing up towards the election. Already in Madhya Pradesh, the one election has been done. In one place it has been done. And remaining parts of Madhya Pradesh, in each assembly, we have decided to do the Mahila Sammelan and Mahila Scooty Rally at the Mandal level. So there are various programs that is happening in Madhya Pradesh.
In Karnataka, FIR has been registered SG Revanna and Kisal Revanna. Allegation is sexual exploitation with maid.
Whoever has committed any wrong, whoever has committed crime against women, BJP is not standing in any way. Law will take its own course, and BJP is for the safety of women. And if any false cases have been registered, that also the investigation agency has to find out. It is, sir, we cannot see the video and tell our opinion. Sometimes because of the technology, many things are happening. And that's why I am telling you, it is for the investigation agency to find out what had happened. If really something had happened, then it is for the authority to take action. If that is a false thing, it is a fabricated video, then obviously the man has to get a justice.
राहुल गांधी ने कहा है, राहुल गांधी के बाद ओबीसी भी कह रहे हैं बीजेपी
Sir, since पहले बार OBC Prime Minister has been there in the BJP. Sorry. Sir, as far as BJP government is concerned, Narendra Modi ji, he himself is an OBC. And first time in an independent India, that OBC commission has got a constitutional status. And pehle baar OBC ministers ज़्यादा है in Modi ji's cabinet. And in a medical education, OBC reservation has been given by Modi ji government. And if you could see that, how the OBC communities across the nation, they have got their due share. And what Congress is saying, so far they did not talk about the OBCs. Only for election purpose now Rahul Gandhi is speaking about OBC. But for Rahul Gandhi we are saying that even our Prime Minister is an OBC.
राहुल गांधी ने एक ट्वीट किया है उसमें उन्होंने कहा है कि 6 करोड़ से अधिक लोगों को मात्र एक मेडिकल बिल खरीदने की फायदा बचेगा. कांग्रेस संकल्प लेती है 25 लाख तक का इलाज मुफ्त में करेगी और किसी भी महिला का मंगलसूत्र गिरवी नहीं रखना पड़ेगा.
Just explain.
ये राहुल गांधी ने ट्वीट किया है.
Tweet किया what? खाई में रखेगा जा रहा है. 25 लाख तक का इलाज कांग्रेस भारतीयों को मुफ्त में देगी और किसी भी महिला को परिवार के इलाज के लिए. Sir, I will go through the tweet and definitely we will respond. But for Mangal Sutra, Priyanka Gandhi was saying about her mother has sacrificed Mangal Sutra for this country. But what we are asking, there are thousands of riots that had happened under Congress rule in this country. Say lakhs of women, the Sikh community women, they have sacrificed their Mangal Sutra for the sake of one sacrifice in your family. Narendra Modi ji has protected the Mangal Sutra of Indian women by way of empowering their life, the living standard, giving them financial assistance, because of which the family prosperity, the women are wearing their gold Mangal Sutra. But Congress, only for the sake of politics, they are saying about the sacrificing of Mangal Sutra of their in the family.
Thank you.